If you're done messing around with multiple setups and you want a true 5-axis machine that produces complex parts with higher productivity, you need the Dvf 5000 in your shop. It's an all-new, cutting-edge technology from Doosan Machine Tools and an automation-ready difference maker. Speed meets strength with the Dvf 5000. The remarkable 18,000 RPM spindle allows for total access to the part while maintaining maximum rigidity. The direct spindle and rotary table design minimizes deflection. The spacious work envelope allows for machining on parts of up to 400 kilograms. If it's increased productivity you've been dreaming of, this machine features a tool magazine with a maximum capacity of 120 tools and an automatic workpiece changer that supports up to 8 pallets for lights-out machining. And you don't need much space to install the Dvf 5000. Its compact footprint fits comfortably in the smallest of shops. So if you're ready to grow your business and elevate your 5-axis machining game, the Dvf 5000 is the answer. It's the latest innovation from Doosan Machine Tools.
This is the Dvf 5000, Doosan Machine Tools' next generation 5-axis compact machining center. This machine provides unmanned machining due to a wide range of functions and delivers optimal performance thanks to the adoption of an array of customized and high technology features. The table structure for easier access and superior work efficiency, while a spur gear has been applied to the motors for rotation of the B and C axes to improve wear resistance and durability. Nodular cast iron is applied to the machine's entire structure to ensure rigidity, enabling powerful, precise cutting of workpieces weighing up to 400 kilograms. As standard, a direct coupled spindle with a top speed of 12,000 revolutions per minute is applied to the machine. In addition, a built-in type spindle with a maximum speed of 18,000 revolutions per minute is available, making it possible to machine diverse and complicated shapes. The tool magazine is designed to hold up to 120 tools to improve productivity, and precision machining is enhanced by adopting the tool length measuring device as an option feature. The distance from the center of the pallet to the operator door is so short that the operator can easily check the machining conditions. The overhead multi-cover is used to ease the loading and unloading of the workpiece by opening and giving access to the table center for the crane to reach. The auto workpiece change system has been adopted for automation and unmanned systems. The improved coolant tank filter ensures a better discharge of chips. unmanned machining, automation, easier access, and convenient operation for the machining of diverse, complex shapes. Experience the excellence of the Dvf 5000 now.